never. Okay, let's play I've never. Cross out all the things that you have done. You might not have seen. There are a lot of people just like they're at you.
This is awesome.
Never have I ever kissed a girl. Never have I ever kissed a boy. Never have I ever received / given a blowjob / handjob / eaten out. Never have I ever had sex.
Oh my god.
Never have I ever fallen in love. Never have I ever cheated on someone. Never have I ever been cheated on. Never have I ever been in a fight. Never have I ever done something illegal. Never have I ever done something...
Gotten wasted.
Got wasted, yeah.
Never have I ever used an illegal drug. Never have I ever snuck out. Never have I... Fuck's sake. Stolen something. Never have I ever lost an immediate family member due to death. Not immediate family. Never have I ever vandalised something. Never have I ever been in a life or death situation. What?
Bad times. A&E, Lewisham Hospital. Yeah.
Never have I ever been arrested. No, we're good like that. Never have I ever been fired from a job. Emotions. Never have I ever been kept up at night due to guilt. Give me this one.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I cried. Never have I ever been abused. Awkward shit.
No.
Never have I ever cried myself to sleep. Never have I ever wished myself that I was somebody else.
Oh my god.
Never have I ever tried to kill myself. Why is that twice? Never have I ever tried to feel like an outcast.
Never have I ever felt like an outcast.
Okay, I have, yeah.
Never have I ever wanted to do something just so I'd fit in. Friendship. Never have I ever had a friend leave me for other people.
Never have I ever been kicked out of a group of friends.
Never have I ever ruined my friendship with someone. Never have I ever been friendless. Whoa. Deep stuff, man.
Never have I ever ate alone.
Had to eat alone.
Yeah, at school, ate alone.
Oh.
A lot.
Never have I ever failed a test. Several times.
Failed a course?
No.
Media.
Oh, okay.
Fuck that shit. I got back on it though.
Never have I ever been suspended. No. Ever received detention?
Never. I'm so proud that I've never had detention in my life.
So. Dropped out of school?
Sort of, yeah.
Never have I ever cut class.
I never cut class.
God, I did loads.
Kathleen and Rosie used to be like, "You want to get high on the 4th floor?" And I'd be like, "No, thank you."
On the 4th floor? I just used to cut French all the time with her. We used to go and jam in the music department.
Music department was the one because nobody would ever notice. Okay, we're gonna end this video. So pull a face.